obviously all made so that they go under and do their thing. There's a new car. Wow. Choo-choo? Yes. I'm surprised, frankly, that you know that an engine goes choo-choo. Because there are no steam engines in children's lives left anymore. I mean, seriously. If you don't normally see them, I'm surprised that they actually exist. That obviously he's seen. That's right. These things are single-ended. In other words, they won't. This one doesn't do it. It has to be turned around so that they're magnetic, but like that. Look at that. Choo 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 choo. That's what the engines do.